Going to go over this trade I took earlier today, actual trade and a hit take profit. Let's go, boys. And I'll hit replay just so it's easier to look around. So we have this DXY correlation, great correlation. And I feel like when we have a good overextension, DXY just tends to correlate pretty good anyway. And then you can see middle time frame here. What's the 50% mark of that? Right there we came up extended past 50%. So this is the area for cells, like this area here, like the equilibrium, you could say. And look how many reversals we have in like the middle time frame. We got yep, 1, 2, 3, like 4. Like you can maybe count this as well. Like a bunch of reversals, and we're sort of we are in a good range. Like if we start from here, we're probably in more of a trending range down, but like literally like it's more of a range, like especially with like these, it's a range. Like we have big legs, but we have little like legs here too, so good condition. Then we have this AOI here. It's a bit scuffed of an AOI. This AOI is like perfect up here. So I was worrying, not worrying, I was weary about price coming up here and reversing, but here was a good reversal point as well. So we have this DXY correlation, good. It actually overextended past this previous low and with high volume. So let's actually get into the trade. So we have this, what was it, AOI. So I'll go into the 5 second. And then you can see here, we've got, we came up pretty high volume. So let's get the 1 minute on. We have these 1 minute lows, which I like to enter off the break for 1 minute low. We have these 1 minute lows, and then especially this one here. It's like we'd want to enter. Let me turn this off too. So this is our AOI here, so we can just move this. We'd like to enter on the break of this 1 minute low, but you can see here we have something that isn't on the 1 minute low, but is more of a like detriment, not detrimental, but like more of a prominent structure point. Where if it takes out this, it could likely do exactly what it did here and then just reverse, and luckily it didn't hit take profit. But it could just take this out and then flip, use this as liquidity and flip. And this low just got formed, so I don't want to do that either. But we have this structure low that if we look on the 1 minute, isn't there on the 1 minute, would have to go off this structure. And this isn't just good structure because it's too high volume. So we have this low here, then we have these lows here. Invisible lows, I'll call them. So I like to enter off 1 minute candle lows and then like the next viable structure in on the 5 second, which I've done there. And I didn't enter right on the break of that. Just like if I entered right on the break like that, sure you can get a higher RR, but I like to just go a little bit down and then target 1 to 1R. Bigger stop loss above the high. And then 1 to 1R. I know I could have targeted more, but I haven't traded in like months. Well, not months, but I've been really stressed in life, so I've just been taking it slow and I'm getting back into trading. And it was pretty daunting, this trade, but it was a good trade nonetheless. It did hit take profit. I could have targeted there for 1.5, but 1 to 1, keep it simple, keep it repetitive. Good trade. I like my entry model I do now. Good overextension, decent time frame. And then we also, in this trade, all time frames were ranging. So we got like low time frame. If we use these for like around here, it's like a low time frame. This is more of a trending range, but it's more rangy. It's basically in the middle of a trending range and a range, I would say, because you have big down movements and then also big up movements. So it's like a trending, it's like a range trend for me up here. This is like probably the middle, like more higher middle time frame. This is a bigger range as well. We have like highs where it repeats itself and then internal structure. And then if we zoom out even more, this goes above like the, this is a bigger range, but pretty trending rangey. Very high volume around there, but since like this area, from here, it's just a really decent range. And I trade 15-minute reversals, so let's go. Like 6 hours. I think like higher time frame for me is like 8 hours. So like there. So that's still a pretty decent range from where I traded from. Like very good range. Like it's all ranging and that's good. Ideally, I do think this trade is good, but it could have been a loser because of these AOIs here. Two AOIs up here. It could have extended and then reversed like pretty easily. But it did have a shift, so I took that shift on this semi AOI. But yeah, this would be higher probability, I reckon, up here. Come up here and then shift there, take 50%. But this is good nonetheless since this time frame was very rangy. So yeah, that's this trade I took today. We'll be back at it tomorrow if any traders show up. So yeah, I'm gonna go now.